A bug.
A bug? Oh, goodness.
Cute.
What, is that bug cute? You say that bug's cute.
I bet that bug.
What are you going to do with it?
In the shower.
In the stroller? Why do you want to put the bug in the stroller? Hey, why don't you bring it back over here? Why don't you put it back in its home in the grass? Good job. Say bye-bye, bug. What are you doing to him? What? What are you doing to him? You won't hold him? Don't you think he should go back home? No. Why don't you put him back in his home over here in the grass? You just want to hold him? No, we don't need to put the bug in a chair. Just put him back over here in the grass. Set him free. Even though he's dead. Well, just put him here. That's where he goes.
That bug goes.
Okay.
Bye,
Okay. Say bye-bye, bug.
bye, bug.
Say see you soon.
I'll see one more bug.
I think that's all the bugs there are. There's not many left. What do you got there? Let me see. Oh, okay. Bye-bye, shell.